If you are early in the morning and watch the sunrise on the lake, even if nothing's in your bucket, the beer scenery will fill the space. When the bar goes down for tugging, this thrill compares to nothing. Yeah, this that life for loving, cause you're dealing with some fishermen. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how we doing? Professor Slabz here, and you just tuned into another episode of Slablyfe Fishing. Hey, as you guys can see right here, ladies and gentlemen, we got some shellcrackers and some bass. I got clean right here. This the bass. This some shellcrackers you just seen me, Jeremiah, and CJ go out there and catch. And we got some Jim Dandies right here, so you guys know what we getting ready to do with these. Mama Slabz wanted some bass. Me and the boys, Mama Slabz and Armani, who's filming, say hello, Armani.
Hello.
Wanted bass, so I got them some nice chunks of bass over here. And I got the shellcrackers, I got them slit along the side. So I got fillet side of shellcracker, as you guys can see. And I got the bone inside of a shellcracker with the tail, my favorite part. But so I think I'm gonna do one fillet of that too. But me and Jeremiah, the one and only, want a shellcracker. Okay? CJ doesn't want any fish. My son not feeling too well this morning, ladies and gentlemen. So y'all put in the comment section out there and tell my boy to get well soon. We're gonna season our fish with a little bit of Goya adobo. But it's not what we seasoning the fish with, ladies and gentlemen, it's what we frying it in. And look what we got, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me if y'all know about that Jiffy Cornbread mix. I've done a video on this before. Frying shellcracker. I think it's called Shellcracker Catch and Cook. Y'all go check that video out if you haven't. But look at this here. Jiffy Cornbread mix, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking about sweet. And if you put the right amount of seasoning, it's going to be like a sweet and salty sensation, ladies and gentlemen. Should've got a knife. Cut. Okay, so I got me scissors, but I'm trying to use my knife. I'm gonna dump that Jiffy Cornbread mix right in there, just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Give it a little shimmy, get them clumps out of there a little bit, just like that. So, now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna season up our fish. Hit it with some of that adobo. And as you guys can see, I scored the shellcracker with them seasonings and get down in there real nice. And when you fry it, ladies and gentlemen, it's easy picking. Now y'all know how we do it in our Harrington household. It's two sides to every store, ladies and gentlemen. So I flips it on over and I season the other side too. Some of that adobo now. Yes, indeed. Now, fish has been seasoned. This is just a meat thing, maybe, but hey, I like to roll out my fish around a little bit. Any meat that I season, that's to make sure them seasonings get all in how it's supposed to. Could be a meat thing, but hey, that's what I like to do, ladies and gentlemen. And look at Mama Slabz, she wanted that tail piece, because you guys can see, I didn't film it. Cleaning the fish, ladies and gentlemen. I had to clean over 50 fish yesterday. And these just the hand picks I end up cleaning for the household, ladies and gentlemen. Because, boy, look at now. I had a lot of fish to clean, and I did not feel like filming it after getting off the boat. I was tired. I'm not even going to lie, ladies and gentlemen. But voila, it's here. Y'all see the video of me and my boys catching these big old suckers. And there they go, all nice and cleaned up, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all didn't get to see the bass get caught. But yup, we got a big old bass got caught too. And y'all see, I had to save that backbone for myself. Y'all don't tell Mama Slabz now. But yeah. Now over here, ladies and gentlemen, we got our deep fryer. Yes, sir, with some of that beautiful golden brown oil in there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. And what we finna do is get the frying, duh. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is. This is the best part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the bass, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna get ladies first. We're gonna get Mama Slabz and my daughter. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shake 3 pieces and do the tail by itself. Y'all know how I go. Give it a little shimmy. Give it a shimmy in that Jiffy Cornbread. Y'all see I did not add nothing. I didn't put no flour. I didn't put no other meal in there. This is straight Jiffy, baby. Okay. No binder either. The binder is me shaking it. See, that's well coated. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay that fish in that deep fry like that done, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna drop it just like that. We're gonna get this tail piece here. We want all the bags getting done at one time. I made up one time. Shimmy him real good. Look at that bag. Look at that tail. Let's see if he can take his last swim. Y'all come over here and look at that last swim. Y'all ready? Uh-oh. Catch and release. Ooh. In the golden pond. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Jiffy Cornbread. Yes, sir. Ooh, all rise. You maybe see this. Slablyfe, baby. Y'all stay tuned, man. Come back, man. By the time y'all come back, it's going to go from this color to this color. No, maybe a little more golden. Slablyfe, baby. Yes, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, that Jiffy Cornbread mix got that fish looking so good. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, sir. Crispy, eggy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop that for another few seconds. But we're going to talk about something, ladies and gentlemen. And for all my old subscribers, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. If you guessed that right, that's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not fry your fish or your chicken and just simply put it on a paper towel. It's going to soak. See that water right there? A little bit of water right there, ladies and gentlemen, from when I washed it. See that? That's what's going to happen to your fish. It's going to soak all that grease in there and it's going to leave it in there. And when you get ready to eat your fish, it's going to be soggy, not crispy, ladies and gentlemen. You want it crispy. I'm going to show y'all how crispy you want it. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that excess drip off for a couple seconds. You know what I'm saying? Drip, drip. Drip, 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 drip. Come on now. Get up out of there. Yeah, give me one little shake. Now, what you do, basket down. Got this beautiful, gorgeous fish, ladies and gentlemen. Still got the skin on, as you guys can see. And I'm going to lay him on this rack, ladies and gentlemen, and let the rest of the excess drip on up off him. Look at that, look at that. Look at that fish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Whoa. Yes, sir. Yeah. And this, I guarantee you, by doing this right here, ladies and gentlemen, your fish will be so much more crispier and so much more delicious, you wouldn't even be able to understand, ladies and gentlemen. In that Jiffy Cornbread mix. It'll get you right every time, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, indeed. Slablyfe, baby. Let's go ahead and get ready to drop our next batch of Shellcracker. The main course. Big old Shellcracker too. Look, he filled the bowl up by himself. See, me, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a sportsman fisherman. You understand what I'm saying? I don't fish for sport. I fish for support. You understand what I'm saying? And these shellcrackers here support me and my family. You understand what I'm saying? I'm finna show you how. Because when I catch them and I release them in that golden pond, ladies and gentlemen. When you go to the golden pond, nothing else matters. Look at him swimming around. Look at him. Now that's a support fisherman. Y'all put in the comment section if you are a support fisherman. Huh? Or you a sports fisherman. See, a sports fisherman released theirs back in the lake that they caught him in. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the game, how it goes. A sports fisherman releases the fish that they catch back in the lake that they caught it in. And a support fisherman releases him in the golden pond. Slablyfe, baby! Y'all stay tuned. Look at him swimming, y'all. Look at him shellcracker swimming. Slablyfe, baby. Look at them shellcrackers, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, 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 whoa! Man, I'm about to go crazy in here, man. Only thing though about releasing them in the golden pond, you gotta re-catch them. But that's why I put mine inside a net. When I release them, I put them in a net, ladies and gentlemen, right here. You understand me? And when I get them inside this net right here, ladies and gentlemen, they can't get all the way away. But look at the definition on them shellcrackers, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, look at them scores. Ooh, I know that's 10s from everybody. Ooh, look at the fillet of shellcracker. Woo! If it ain't Slablyfe, I don't know what it is, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna let them simmer. I'm gonna shimmy them for a couple seconds. You understand me? But they getting ready to come on up. Yes, sir. All jokes aside, though, ladies and gentlemen, I thank God to be able to go out here and catch some of these fish and feed my family, man. This is, man, what you talking about? Best breakfast in the world. We had opportunity, sausage, bacon, all kind of stuff this morning, but everybody said we wanted some of that freshwater fish that we just went out there on a new boat and caught. And man, look at y'all. I was able to bless a few neighbors, some friends, and family with some fish. Man, got the hand picks. These are hand picks for my family. If you guys got my Facebook, Chris Harrington, you guys go check that out. I took a picture of my hand picks, ladies and gentlemen. These was the hand picks. I went through the cooler and got all the hand picks for the family, for La Familia. And we in here frying them right now, ladies and gentlemen. I think I ended up picking 7 shellcrackers and 1 big old bass for the family. And you see I still got plenty of meat left in the fridge. Other people eating. I seen a couple people sending me a couple pictures last night of the fish that I gave them and they was frying it right there. So, man, you can't beat that. But here we go. The upper room. All rise. Make sure I cut the deep fryer off. Matter of fact, I might do us some French fries. Some French fries. Give them a little shimmy. Just to make sure that excess grease is off. Matter of fact, I'm going to just tongue them. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen. Boys and girls. Children of all ages. Look at that. Look at that shellcracker. That's a shellcracker. Now you know you gotta be big to get a fillet that big. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. Look at that shellcracker. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, what we have here is a failure to communicate. Yes, sir. breakfast. Jiffy cornbread mix. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of SlabLife's Fishing Kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys learned something. Hey, some of you guys probably didn't know that you could use Jiffy corn muffin mix to fry fish in. But here's the secret, ladies and gentlemen. Fish is normally fried in cornmeal. Jiffy cornbread mix is made out of no other than cornmeal. And it just has some of their sweeteners and additives that Jiffys like to put with their cornmeal, and it ends up being something sweet and nice. When you bake it, it makes some real good cornbread. But you could even use just regular cornmeal that you fry your fish in and make cornbread out of that too. And that's some of the best cornbread, that good homemade cornbread like grandma used to make. Especially my favorite was the kind that she made like pancakes in a frying pan. But yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed showing it to you, because this fish looking good. I'm ready to dig in, and I got a family to feed. But if you guys remember anything, I want you to remember this. If you have to ask, you are not living. And if you're not living, you're not fishing. SlabLife, baby, it's a lifestyle that I present and bring a lifetime of memories. And you can take that to the bank or the dock, ladies and gentlemen. Just as long as you got a pole in your hand. God bless y'all. I love y'all. And till the next time, the Pro-Fessor is checking out. SlabLife, baby. If you are early in the morning and watch the sunrise on the lake, even if nothing's in your bucket, the beer scenery will fill the space. When the barber goes down with tugging, this thrill compares to nothing. Yeah, this that life for loving, 'cause you're dealing with some fishermen.